Oh my. Okay, so this is Wednesday morning. After we got our 20 inches of snow last night, we are, oh my, still getting more. This is my block, and they out there snow blowing, and I really don't think they stand a chance. I mean, look at this. I'm just trying to open up my door. Okay, let me try to get down here ground level. Okay, that's my little car and my truck. And this is all the crap in front of it. What a lovely morning in Northwest Indiana, I tell you. I mean, if you could really see this mess going, well, you can actually see a little bit, but look at this crap. This is crazy. I can't really see through the glass. Oh shit, it's cold. This is crazy. Okay, well, that's enough of that. I'm cold. I made a little path to my car that will not be moved. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I was told my phone is going off, so woo. Oi. That, my friend, is nutty. Definitely nutty. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.